Present perfect 2. I have done. Study this example conversation. Dave, have you traveled a lot, Jane? Jane. Yes, I have been to lots of places. Dave. Really? Have you ever been to China? Jane. Yes, I have been to China twice. Dave. What about India? Jane. No, I haven't been to India. When we talk about a period of time that continues from the past until now, we use the present perfect. Some more examples. Have you ever eaten caviar? We have never had a car. Some more examples. In the following examples, too, the speakers are talking about a period that continues until now, recently, in the last few days, so far, since breakfast, etc. Have you heard anything from Brian recently? I have met a lot of people in the last few days. Everything is going well. We haven't had any problems so far. I am hungry. I haven't eaten anything since breakfast, from breakfast until now. C. In the same way, we use the present perfect with today, this evening, this year, etc. when these periods are not finished at the time of speaking. See also Unit 14b. I have drunk 4 cups of coffee today. Have you had a holiday this year? I haven't been gone to see. We say it is the first time something has happened. For example, Don is having a driving license lesson. It is his first one. It is the first time he has driven a car. Not drive. He has never driven a car before. This is the first time I have driven a car. Sarah has lost her passport again. This is the second time this has happened. Not happened. Exercises 8.1. You ask people about things they have done. Write questions with ever. 1. Ride horse. Have you ever ridden horse to be California? Have. 3. Run marathon. 4. Speak famous person. 5. Most beautiful place visit works. Complete these answers. Some sentences are positive and some negative. 1. What's my sister like? I have no idea. I have never met her. 2. Is everything going well? Yes, we haven't had any problems so far. 3. Are you hungry? Yes, I have much today. 4. Can you play chess? Yes, but for ages. 5. Are you enjoying your holiday? Yes, it is the best holiday for a long time. 6. What's that look like? I don't know it. 7. Is Brussels an interesting place? I have no idea there. 8. I hear your car broke down. Yes, it is the second time this month. 9. Do you like caviar? I don't know it. 8.3. Write 4 sentences about yourself. 8.3 Write 4 sentences about yourself. Use I haven't had and choose from the boxes. Use the computer, travel by bus, eaten any fruit, been to the cinema. 8.4 Read the situations and write sentences as shown in the example. 1. Jack is driving a car but he is very nervous and not sure what to do. You ask, have you driven a car before? He says, no, this is the first time I have driven a car. 2. Ben is playing tennis. He is not good at it and he doesn't know the rules. You ask, have? He says, no, this is the first. 3. Sue is riding a horse. She doesn't look very confident or comfortable. You ask, she says, 4. Maria is in Japan. She has just arrived and it's very new for her. You ask, she says. Present perfect continuous. I have been doing. It has been raining. Study this example situation. Is it raining? No, but the ground is wet. It has been raining. Have has been ing is the present perfect continuous. There is a connection with now. You are out of breath. Have you been running? Paul is very tired. He has been working very hard. Why are your clothes so dirty? What have you been doing? B. It has been raining for 2 hours. Study this example situation. It began raining 2 hours ago and it is still raining. How long has it been raining? It has been raining for 2 hours. We use the present perfect continuous in this way especially. How long have you been learning English? Tim is still watching TV. He has been watching TV all day. Where have you been? I have been looking for you for the last half hour. Chris hasn't been feeling well recently. You can use the present perfect continuous for actions repeated over a period of time. Sylvia is a very good tennis player. She has been playing since she was 8. Compare. I am doing, she with one and I have been doing. Don't disturb me now, I am working. We need an umbrella, it is raining. Hurry up. Exercise 9.1 What have these people been doing or what has been happening? 1. (9.2) Write a question for each situation. 1. You meet Paul as he is leaving the swimming pool. You ask, you swim, have you been swimming? 2. You have just arrived to meet a friend who is waiting for you. You ask, you wait long. 3. You meet a friend in the street. His face and hands are very dirty. You ask, what you do? 4. A friend of yours is now working in a shop. You want to know